Belfast Mine is situated at the headwaters of the Klein-Kamati-Spruit, which is an important water source in the region. To balance the potential impacts from the mining operations, Exxaro were required to rehabilitate and enhance identified wetland areas to assist in managing impacts on water quality and the wetlands themselves. To achieve this, the initial phase of an overarching wetland rehabilitation plan compiled by Ground Truth was implemented in valley bottom and pan wetlands in the area. The rehabilitation looked at reversing the impacts from old farming activities and focused on spreading flows across bigger areas of the wetland and promoting wetland plants in the re-flooded areas. In 2019, the wetland rehabilitation was implemented by Joden Construction, with oversight and specialist input provided by Ground Truth. The rehabilitation made use of appropriate soil material and wetland soils generated from mining operations to backfill the old drains and eroded channels in the wetlands. The rehabilitation also included cut-off walls to make sure that water was forced out of the old channels. In some areas, concrete weirs were used to safely allow water flow over the steeper places in the wetland areas, and 2 old farm dams were breached to allow the flows to continue down the length of the valley bottom wetland. Heavy rains during the first months of implementation made working in the wetland quite challenging. This tested Ground Truth's skills, experience and adaptive management capabilities. Due to our rigour, the implementation of the rehabilitation plan was successful. Following 2 rainfall seasons, the wetland areas have responded exceptionally well to the rehabilitation measures. Flows are being slowed and spread across much greater areas of the wetland, and wetland fauna and flora is re-establishing in areas of the wetland. The success of the initial phase bodes well for the subsequent wetland rehabilitation activities being scheduled for other wetland areas in the Belfast Mine land holdings. The level of commitment given by Exxaro to support detailed planning, implementation and oversight of this project has been exemplary, the results of which can clearly be seen.